seeing here is W035. It's headed north through Nashville. We're sitting just outside the Kayne Avenue yard on a parking deck, so we get this nice overhead shot of this. It's a work crew train. It's headed from Brunswick, Georgia up to Washington, Indiana. Being led up by CSX 8060, which is an SD42, or SD40-2. It was originally delivered in August of 1979. It's one of the rare older locomotives that's maintained its same reporting number throughout its entire life. So started off as a Seaboard Coastline 8060 and became part of the Seaboard system, and now is a CSX locomotive. So this train would pass north through the cemetery where I generally rail fan. I was actually out in Lebanon, Tennessee, which is probably 20-ish miles, maybe 30-ish miles east of this location. Was getting my first COVID vaccine yesterday morning. Very excited about that. And when I left the location, I quickly glanced at Facebook, saw some talk of a couple interesting trains, and decided to head straight downtown to try to catch what I could. It actually worked out perfectly for me because I caught this train at this location and still managed to make it up north to the cemetery to catch the second interesting train, which was Q575, that had some Army tanks on the front of it. So went 2 for 2, got both interesting trains I wanted to see, didn't see anything else, and managed to get back home. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you pay attention in the background, you'll see the Kayne Avenue, the local yard locomotives building out a train with the remote control units back there. So a lot of stuff going on here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.